Going to teach y'all some Korean words. Some beginner words pa lang kasi beginner pa lang kayo, just like me. Because as K-pop stans, we don't understand our idols or as international fans. So, yeah, I studied Korean para maintindihan ko sila.
The first word is hello. And this is how you write it in Korean. Hahaha, sorry for my bad handwriting. In Korean, we say hello as 안녕하세요. I repeat, 안녕하세요. And in syllables, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. The next word is please. This is how you write it in Korean. In Korean, we say please as 주세요. I repeat, 주세요. In syllables, 주세요. Let's go to the next word. The next word is sorry. This is how you write it in Korean. In Korean, we say sorry as 죄송합니다. I repeat, 죄송합니다. And in syllables, 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. The fourth word is thank you. This is how you write it in Korean. We say it as 고맙습니다. I repeat, 고맙습니다. In syllables, 고맙습니다. That's how you say thank you politely. The next one is very easy. The next word is yes. This is how you write it in Korean. And in Korean, we say yes as 네. I repeat, 네. And in syllables, just 네 also. The next one is no. This is how you write it in Korean. And this is how you pronounce it. 아니요. Oops, sorry for that. 아니요. I repeat, 아니요. And in syllables, 아니요. Next is maybe. How you write it in Korean. And how you pronounce it. 아마도. I repeat, 아마도. And in syllables, 아마도. The next one is a bit long, but it's help. And this is how you write help in Korean. We say help in Korean as 도와주세요. I repeat, 도와주세요. And in syllables, 도와주세요. 도와주세요. The last word is excuse me. This is how you write it in Korean. This is how you say it. 저기요. I repeat, 저기요. And in syllables, 저기요. Okay, finally we're done. So let's recap from the start. Hello. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Please. 주세요. 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 Sorry. 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. Thank you. 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. Yes. 네. 네. No. 아니요. 아니요. Maybe. 아마도. 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 Help. 도와주세요. 도와주세요. Excuse me. 저기요. 저기요. 안녕히 가세요. That's how you say goodbye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See ya!